Hello everyone, welcome back to Ielts ONESTOP. If your Ielts exam is on 8th January 2026, this video will help you focus on exactly what to revise today. No generic tips, no over-predictions, only question patterns and topics that matter most. So, let's start. How to use this video. At this stage, don't try to learn anything new. Your goal is to revise repeated question types and familiar topics because that's how Ielts actually works. Academic reading, final priorities. Let's begin with reading. First, focus on question types. These appear again and again in recent exams. You should be comfortable with matching headings, true, false, not given, yes, no, not given, summary completion, sentence completion, multiple choice questions. If you're strong in these, half the reading battle is already won. Pinpoint reading topic areas to revise. Now coming to topics. Based on recent Ielts exams and Ielts ONESTOP CBT practice, revise passages related to artificial intelligence and modern technology, environmental research and climate issues, human psychology and behavioral studies, history explained through scientific evidence, urban planning and social development, wildlife and conservation. Remember, Ielts rarely introduces completely new ideas. They reuse topics with different wording. You can practice these in real CBT format on IeltsOneStopCBT.com. Very important, must-solve reading passages. Now, this part is extremely important. For 8th January 2026, these are must-solve reading academic texts. These are real Ielts academic reading texts from recent exams. Please practice The History of Tea, BestCom, Considerate Computing, Can Hurricanes Be Moderated or Diverted? Asteroids, Mission to Collect Materials on the Moon, The Science of Sleep, Ancient Chinese Chariots, and the Study of Chimpanzee Culture. These passages are important because Ielts recycles ideas, structure, and question logic. They cover science, history, psychology, and environment. They are perfect for practicing matching headings and true-false NGS. They help you spot paraphrase traps, especially for Band 7+. All of these are available in CBT exam-style format on IeltsOneStopCBT.com. General training reading. For GT candidates, focus on workplace rules and notices, bank and insurance letters, local council announcements, travel and booking information, community and charity notices. You can practice these on IeltsOneStop.com. Listening, final revision. Now let's move to listening. Here, question types matter more than accents. Revise form and note completion, table or flowchart completion, multiple choice, sentence completion, map or diagram labeling. Topic-wise, Section 1, Services and Bookings, Section 2, Public Facilities, Section 3, Student or Workplace Discussions, Section 4, Lectures on Technology, Psychology, or Environment. Practice full CBT listening tests on IeltsOneStopCBT.com. Writing, what to revise. Now coming to writing. Academic Task 1. Be confident with line graphs, bar charts, maps showing changes, process diagrams. Academic Task 2. Prepare ideas for advertising and consumer behavior, technology replacing or changing jobs, government spending priorities, environmental protection versus economic growth, education systems and learning methods. You'll find Band 9 model answers on IeltsOneStopCBT.com. General training writing. GT candidates should revise complaint letters, request or inquiry letters, apology letters, suggestion or feedback letters. Speaking, important exam trend. Now let's talk about speaking. These days, new cue cards are being asked very frequently. Students are sharing the exact topics daily in our Telegram group. And remember this, These cue cards often repeat again in upcoming exams, so prepare cue cards related to a place, a person, an experience, a habit or routine, a skill you learned. For Part 1, prepare topics like daily routine, food, technology, work and study, hobbies, neighborhood. For Part 3, expect questions about technology, education, environment, society, and work culture. You can watch latest speaking samples and cue cards on IELTS1stop.com. Final message. IELTS does not reward memorization. It rewards clarity, relevance, and calm thinking. Revise repeated question types, focus on common topics, and stay confident. All the best for your 8th January 2026 IELTS exam. You're ready.